Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Vulkan Profit Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This simple arrow-based tool uses a series of different types of moving averages in concepts to generate blue and red arrows for long and short signals without squiggly lines, levels or color changes. In this video, you will see how the Vulkan Profit works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The Vulkan Profit Indicator is a tool designed for traders in the foreign exchange market that is quite simple and uncomplicated, based on the well-known Sidus indicator. It's an arrow indicator, meaning that you only see red and blue arrows with no squiggly lines, no levels, no crosses, and no color changes, making it pretty simple and definitely not included in the boxed sets found on MT4. The indicator uses a series of different types of moving averages in concepts including WMA, linear weighted moving average, faster EMA, and slower EMA to calculate the arrows and create definite, easy to see signals. You can already see the arrows on the chart. The Vulkan Profit displays colored arrows that give definite, easy to see indicators with blue arrows, as you can see down here, signaling long entries, and red arrows, as you can see over here, indicating short positions. The arrows can be customized in color and size for easier signal identification, with Stonehill Forex changing them from blue, red to aqua magenta and increasing size from 2 to 5 for maximum visibility. Additionally, black dots represent the indicator's attempts to call trend continuations and reversals, though Stonehill Forex notes they do not use or test for these dot signals. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. Key settings include VPWMA, which is the moving average variable using other settings to calculate arrows with default value of 3, SlowerLWMA as a linear weighted moving average with default value of 8, FasterSidus EMA with default value of 18, and SlowerSidusEMA with default of 28. For long signals, when a blue arrow prints on screen, entry is made on the open of the next period, while for short signals, when a red arrow prints, entry is made on the open of the next period. You can also customize our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frames as well. The Vulkan Profit Indicator is suitable for traders who want simple arrow-based signals without chart clutter, confirmation indicators for algorithmic systems as C1 or C2, and potentially exit indicators when properly tested. Stonehill Forex testing across EUR/USD, BTC/USD, and XPX 500 on daily and 4-hour time frames showed overall pretty good results, with a few adjustments finding a place in traders' toolboxes. However, initial research found no evidence of repainting, but after further review, isolated instances were discovered where the indicator withdrew arrows, so caution is advised when using this indicator, and it should be a part of a system rather than used alone. You can download the Vulkan Profit Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how using multiple moving averages to generate simple arrow signals can provide definite entry points without overwhelming complexity. If you like arrow-based indicators with customizable settings and clean visual representation, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.